Okay, so I came out here last night to do toothpicks in Breezy's box and in Lilith's box because they've laid eggs now, and I'm doing this ventilation thing with the toothpicks. Now, mind you, Gidget abandoned her egg because I suspect it was because I put the toothpick in, and she didn't like it. Now, Fluffy doesn't mind at all. See, that toothpick is still right there. Remington is raising her first chick, and as far as I know, where is it? Where's the box? I'm zoomed in too close. There it is, and that is Luscious's box. Never bothered her. Rainbow is sitting on her eggs, doesn't bother her at all. But when I came out last night, Breezy was not in the box. She was sitting out on the perch. Now, her box is kind of stiff, and I had let it prop itself open yesterday, and now I'm wondering if she has abandoned the eggs. There's only 2 eggs in there. I just candled them. They're both clear, looking infertile, but she laid one yesterday, and the other one is 2 days old. I should maybe be able to see something in the first egg that she laid, but on the other hand, I'm not sure that she's sitting yet. This is the one and only hen that I've ever had that actually hatched out 2 chicks on the same day last time. Apollo and Vulcan both hatched on the same day, which meant that she delayed sitting and incubated them together. So it may be that she hasn't even started sitting on these eggs yet. But with finding her out of the nest, having Gidget stop laying, I'm beginning to think that the whole ventilating the box thing is not a great idea. So I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to leave her box shut, and I'll leave Lilith's box shut as well. That brings me to Luscious down here. I candled Luscious's one egg. It hasn't hatched yet, and now I'm kind of wondering if it has stopped developing. It actually looks in a half empty. Now, a lot of times eggs that are going to hatch look half empty, but it's just because there's more white on one side of the egg than on the other. The chick's on one side, the white's on the other. So it's not time to dissolve the nest just yet, but it's not looking good. So here's my inclination, is to give her a few more days and pull the eggs and have her reset. Give her one last try, because I think she's basically infertile. But I want to give her one last try in case I messed her up by propping open the nest box. Perhaps all those embryos failed because she jumped off them and didn't sit them consistently for a while because she was adapting to the propped open nest box. I will leave it the way it is. I'm not going to change it because she has clearly adapted to it now. But I think she's completely infertile. I'm not sure, though. I need one more reset to see. That leaves me with, what do I do with Fluffy's 4th baby? The obvious answer is, give it to Rainbow, who has 2 of Remington's eggs. Now, the 2 eggs I gave her from Remington won't hatch for 2 weeks. But the one egg that I can give her Fluffy's last hatching chick. That's provided she actually hatches out all 3 of the previous ones and they survive. But if she does and there's a 4th embryo in there, I'll pull it and stick it in here. It will probably hatch, somewhere between a half and a whole week ahead of the other 2. But she only is going to have 3 chicks. She's an experienced hen. I'm sure she'll be able to handle that. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna pull her entire clutch. I'll give her another day or 2. If the egg is drying out, it will become really clear in another day or 2 that it is. It'll end up standing on end and being more than half empty. So yeah, I'm gonna give her another day or 2, and if I don't see anything happening, I'm gonna pull the eggs that she's sitting on and see if she resets. So yeah, note to self, Some hens, most hens are okay with the ventilation thing. Some hens just don't adapt. So, see, Breezy spends time in there, and it's hot, so she can be out a lot, but I'm not sure she's even started sitting on those eggs. The other dreadful possibility would be if Bond is infertile. Unbelievable. This is the last time I'm dealing with newly acquired birds that I don't know. Bond is a baby, though. He is a 2017. So he should not be infertile. So I don't know what's up with that. But hopefully that's not what's going on. Hopefully it's just that she hasn't really started sitting yet. And she's taking her time. Since these two are out, shall we peek at baby? Make sure it made its first 24 hours?
Yes, it did. Oh, the cute little baby.
Okay.
Hatch us a baby, Miss Fluffy. Today is your day. Time. Hatch them out. That's the rules.
Okay, so that's the update.